Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S53 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down a little bit to find the sound. Now let's scroll down, tap on advanced, and as you can see here we've got the section in which we can simply change the ringtone. It is divided between two different SIM cards, which is a cool option because we can set totally different ringtone for the first and different ringtone for the second SIM card. I'll show you how to do it using, for example, the first one. It does not really matter right now. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got this pop-out window with all of the ringtones which are installed or pre-installed by default here. At the very bottom of the list, we've got this option Add Ringtone, and after tapping on it, we will be simply transferred to our own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded from the internet or recorded, they will appear right here or in other folders, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. And on the other hand, at the top, we've got the option None. So your device will simply not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. So it's up to you if you want to use this option. If you'd like to check how all of those ringtones here sound, and then simply tap on it and you will be able to check that. Of course, you can volume it up or down, up to you. And if you will pick the one you like the most, so for example this one, make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your CAT S53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.